In this video, I'm going to teach you the best way possible to use AI to create any photo that you want. When I say any, I mean any. Look at these samples. You can make them in any size, in any resolution, without have to pay a single dime for them. And nobody is really talking about it in a simple way. I really dig through the internet to find it. It's going to be free, unlimited, and the highest quality ever. This video has 3 sections. First is downloading and installing the basic files that they're unlikely to have errors. The second part is about more complicated files and more detailed setting that you need to know, which is the biggest part of this video. And the last part is about the environment and how to get the last touch to have the best generative AI ever. So stick around. So the first thing we're going to download is Git. If you ever heard of GitHub, this is what we're looking for. Download the correct version if you're a Windows user or Linux. Mine is this one. You just download it like that and then you install it. The second thing we're going to download is Python. Python 3.10 is what we want, because these models are not very compatible with the latest versions of Python, so I recommend downloading this version. Or if you want to know which one do you have to download, you have to look at the description of the model you're going to download. There it is, Windows installer, 64-bit, recommended, of course. This is it, and install it, and make sure to turn on this at Python 3.10 to path. That's it. Just install now and done. And the last thing we need is WinRar, I don't know the pronunciation, or the 7-zip. Okay, no difference. I put the link of the 7-zip in the description. You just have to unpack the packaging we're going to download. What we are going to use is an interface that we're going to connect the models to the AIs. So we have to download ComfyUI. There is other UIs too, but I really recommend ComfyUI because it's so simple. This is ComfyUI. Look what I just got out of it. This is ComfyUI. It might look so overwhelming at the beginning, but trust me, this is so simple. There is just so many settings that we would love to have, and we don't want that flat screen of just writing the prompt. These are so valuable and it's going to help you a lot to make the best photo ever. Okay, we're going to download this. This is a bit tricky. What we want for now is to Google ComfyUI. If you might feel lost, you can use the link in the description. This is it. This is what we want. There is an installation guidance in here, but it can be a bit confusing. Okay? So I got confused a lot in this process, and it didn't cover the errors I was facing, which is this part. This part can be a bit confusing. Just download the ComfyUI file, and it has to be a zip file that's ComfyUI Windows Portable NVIDIA 7Z. This is what we want to download. We have to unzip that with 7-zip or WinRar. There it is. I downloaded that. Click right, extract here, or 7-zip, extract here. It's gonna take a while to extract fully. Okay, we already did that. We don't want to do it again. Then we have it extracted over here. So now, what we're going to do is we are going to download a thing called Torch. And it's going to torture you, like its name. All you have to do is copy this and go to this folder, and then we're going to go to ComfyUI. Come to this file path and delete these. You see, type cmd, enter. It's gonna open a cmd file in the direction of your ComfyUI and paste it over here. Then we press enter. If you are lucky, you see this. This is completely downloaded and fine. Easy peasy. If you're unlucky, it's going to be red, like mine was. There is 2 reasons when you get the error in here. If you don't have any errors, just skip this part. First one is that your pipe version is not up to date. Okay, you're going to open a CMD from here. You can type like literally CMD and run as administrative. And it opens like that. So you write Python space -m pip install -- upgrade pip. Yes. It's gonna update your pip. And you know why is that happening? Because I have a VPN on. Just remember, if you use VPN, turn that off. You're just going to repeat that to see if there's any. Yeah, you see? Requirement already satisfied. This is what we want. We want to download the VHL file of Torch by ourselves. Like I did it here. You see? This is the version you need to download too. So when we copy this and it gives us this great mess, we are looking for, we're going to go here. We're gonna go to Torch. We're gonna find the latest version of it, 2.0, 2.3, 2.4. This is what we want, but not for Linux. We want it for Windows. So we scroll down. 2.4 was the latest. We still want that. 2.4. You see? This is Linux, Windows. This is what we are looking for. Windows AMD 64. Is it that one? CU 121. Remember that? We don't see CU 121 here. So these are not the one. We're gonna keep scrolling down. 2.4 again. You see? Linux, Windows, CU 118. We wanted CU 121. Still not that. We see? There is CU 121, but it's for other version. We want 2.4, the latest version. Oh yes, CU 121 for Windows. It's so confusing, I understand. And you can see there is just 5 versions of that. And if you think that this AMD means that your graphic card is AMD, this is not the graphic card. This is the integrated hardware in your computer, which is called like 64 bits. This is for that. This is not for GPU. I don't know what is it, but like those are different. So download whatever from these, like doesn't really matter, because I did the same and it worked. After you downloaded this VHL file, it's going to be about 2 gigabytes. Any version of that really doesn't make any difference. You want to run a CMD over here. Again, you're going to write pip install and copy the name, Ctrl+C. And in your computer, you might not have these .vhl, the format, which is fine, okay? We're going to paste that, and then we're going to .vhl. It's gonna install the file for you. I don't really need it. It's already installed. But it's fixed. Like, the torch is not torching you anymore. That was the only thing I thought it's gonna bother people. So I hope it's fixed for you. You don't really need to go through all of this. I really wish you that. But after that, we want to go back to this page, and it says that we have to... It already knows that it has some problems. This torturing torch. We have to run another code, which is this, in the direction of ComfyUI Windows Portable ComfyUI. So again, cmd, and then we're gonna copy paste pipe install or requirement txt, and it's gonna download a bunch of things, and then we're good to go. ComfyUI is installed completely. So now we need a model. This is the fun part. There's a website called civitai.com, and there are a bunch of models here. You see, which we're going to download one of them, which is the best of them. These are all free. Do you want to know which one I downloaded? Flux 1 is the new one. It's going to be amazing. You can download a bunch of these and try them out. I guess, yeah, I did download this one. Dream Shaper XL. So if you want to find a good one, you can come here, filter by highest rated, and put it in all time. And you can find a bunch of them which are working great already. I downloaded this. Like, this is amazing. It's already amazing, guys. I really recommend it. It gives me such an amazing outcome. Here it is. You can download it over here, 6.40. But these are so cool, aren't they? Oh, you see, these are the older model, which they're too blurry. This is the first one. Realistic, okay. Oh, wow. And this is only 2 gigabytes. Awesome. Perfect. I'm gonna download that. After you downloaded your model, it's going to be in this format. Safe tensors. These are safe format of Python AI model. So I really recommend to download this kind of format. And after we downloaded this, we're just going to Ctrl+C and paste it into this direction. ComfyUI Windows Portable, ComfyUI, models, checkpoints, and paste it over here. After that, we're done. We're done, baby. This is just done. We go to ComfyUI Windows Portable again. We're gonna run this one. Remember when we added this to desktop? So we have a shortcut in desktop. You see, run NVIDIA GPU.bat. We're gonna run that. It's gonna give us this, and after a while, it's gonna open setup like this. This is what we want. Here we write our prompt. Here we write our negative prompt. Here we get the output. We put the resolution over here. We want, when we say like how many photos you want at once, we say like 8 is just a lot. We want 4, like 1080 to 1080. Like, let's try. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us the best prompt ever. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. This is already a lot, but anyway. Negative prompt, no other people, no modern object, no harsh shadow, no gloomy weather, the cluttered background. I like that. So we're gonna press on quick prompt. Q prompt. My English is bad. And you see, it was green here and then it got here. That means it's processing. You see that? Oh, it already taken a lot because this prompt is too long. But it can be so much faster if you just put a little bit less prompt here and put the resolution down. And you can just play with it as much as you want. You can change the node, anything you want, and get the best result out of it. Let me show you my result. I already showed you at the beginning of the video, but let me show you how amazing it can be. Look at that. Look at that. This is awesome. This is awesome, okay? Look at that. This is perfect, isn't it? Look at that. It's not as perfect as we want to be, but good. Look at that. This is good. We love it. And I asked it to, like, give me a kitten, but it's not really good at that. Sadly. You know, these are just so artificial. Those are not perfect in a good way. And, you know, not pretty good with animals. I have to download another model for that, you see. But I asked it about... It's pretty good with just muscles and, like, you see, these are just awesome. I hope you get through that and you're just enjoying from the photos that you can just make, like any photo, as I said, as much as you want, by your GPU in your computer and the world end. And there is no like any online servers and they burn, but you have the model in your hard drive and you can make electricity out of gas or out of burning something, I don't know. Make electricity and then you open and then you turn on your computer and you can use AI if the world's end and there is no servers and there is nothing, but you have your PC unplugged in your local laptop. Oh yeah, I'm talking too much, but you know, that's awesome. I really loved it. And these are just some detail you can add on, which is going to help you a lot. Like the first thing you gotta do is just add on to the resolution. This is so important. Okay, this is so cool. Look at that. This looks like a painting. It's not hyper realistic. Why is okay, I don't like it, but it's cool. It is real. It is real. Trust. Oh, what is wrong with her eyes? Okay, AI is not helping AI. They're not understanding each other's language, which is weird. Ginger head. It is a bit slow because I probably am recording this. It is, my GPU is working, so that might be the reason. What is that? Why are these freckles like that? But this is so cute. Oh my god. Look at those hands. It's not as perfect. What is that? A ginger head kid in the middle, kids. Okay, in the middle of the frame with freckles and a transparent glass. Transparent glass. Okay, my English is awful though. That's on me. So I forgot to add, like here, when you just click on here, it opens something. These are your checkpoint models, like AI model, which you have to choose from, like you have like multiple ones, but I only have one. I can hear the fan of my GPU. Oh my god. It's loud. You shouldn't really play with it as much as I did. What happened? Nothing. Actually, Actually, this one is much better. Look at that. This is scary. 20. Oh, so many different results. So if you're facing other problems that I didn't cover in this video, make sure you leave a comment. I might make another video for it if there is a lot, or if not, we're going to help you in the comment section. Girls with dress or without dress, or boys with dress or without dress, you can have them all in here but not in any website. So this is the best way. Or if you're planning on to make a AI influencer, which is going to be another video for us. Let's go. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!